What should you do when you get an email address? The whole point of lead generation is to get an email address. Remember, when potential customers give you their email address, you should consider them a hot lead. Sending them regular, valuable emails is your best opportunity to continue building a relationship and selling them a product or service that solves their problem. Now, while a few people will buy a product or service immediately, most will need to continue to learn more about your company before feeling a sense of trust. Not following up with your customer after they downloaded your lead generation offer is like getting someone's phone number and asking them out on a date and never calling them back. It's just bad. If someone gave you their email address, they're expecting you to email them. You got those digits, email address, now follow up. Most people are a little nervous about sending emails because it feels like they're broadcasting to the world. The truth is, you aren't. You're simply broadcasting to a group of people who have asked you to keep in touch. Emails are pretty hard to mess up. Nevertheless, let's cover some basics. Email marketing helps you not only to build a relationship with your customers, but gives you a proven way to nurture leads and convert them into long-lasting customers. No matter what type of business you operate, an email list is the most important element of a successful marketing strategy. With that list, you can share your story, promote your business, and showcase your products, all while turning subscribers into paying customers. Any business that wants to attract potential customers can use opt-in forms in their website to attract signups. Experienced content marketers use lead magnets to generate leads. But what do those look like, and how can you leverage them to begin building your email list? Not all lead generation is created equally. There are a variety of types that your business can utilize effectively to make sure you're bringing in the most qualified leads rather than just bringing in a great number of leads that may not actually need or want anything your business offers. The old saying of quality over quantity reigns very true in the world of lead generation. After all, what sounds better to you as a business owner? 1,000 new leads that bring in 10 new customers, or 100 new leads that bring on 50 new customers? I think the answer is pretty clear. There are dozens and dozens of different types of lead generation campaigns and tactics out there. However, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to focus on the tactics that I have seen generate the best results for not only my own business, but the brands I work with managing their social media accounts as well. And the best part is, they can all be done 100% free. Now, these are basically broken up into three main categories: freemiums, blog posts, and landing pages. So let's take a look at the first lead generation tactic of freemiums. First off, just what the heck is a freemium anyway? Well, a freemium is basically an industry term that refers to something of perceived value that you as a business are providing to your target audience for free. However, it's not entirely free. They're going to have to provide you with their name and email address to receive the free offering of value. Freemiums can be anything from white papers, checklists, downloadable PDFs, and even a video series. Using blog posts as a lead generation campaign is also a very popular tactic and one I use a great deal of as well. Now, it's pretty self-explanatory as it's basically a blog post on your website. However, in the midst of your blog post, you offer them the opportunity to join your newsletter list, free webinar, or incorporate your freemium that we discussed earlier in the video. The reason blog posts work great for lead generation are for a few different reasons. One, it drives people to your website, which is typically what we're trying to do here. Two, again, it's positioning your company as an authority in your field. And third, it gives your target audience the chance to bookmark your blog post or website and the opportunity to share it with their friends very easily. Landing pages are also a very popular form of lead generation. Basically, a landing page is an additional page, not navigation linked, on your website for your target audience to be directed to via a social media post or a blog post. A landing page is going to be more informative in describing what your target audience is going to receive for the information they provide to your business. Now, they typically also ask for a bit more information to receive the value-driven content you're providing them. Once you've mastered creating all three of these different lead generation tactics, you can begin to build out your campaigns to utilize each one individually, together, or through a strategic lead generation campaign where each one is leading your target audience through their own buyer's journey.